At present, we have got 6 courses that are related to personal development, are basically related for improving your job-oriented skills. Nowadays, for getting a job, you need precise skill depending on the type of job you have require, and specifically for specific skills. So we provide those courses to upgrade your skills. You have completed your graduation, may have completed your ITI, may have completed your engineering degree, but when you are going for a job, you require some personal skill. So we are basically working on that. Apart from this, we will specially design courses on stress management, technique related to professional life. Those who are still working and they know the level of stress which disturbs their personal and professional life. So how to manage their stress? We have designed a specific course for this. The headquarters is located at Bokaghat. It's a district of Golaghat, Assam, and India. Why you're going to join Success Unacademy? Because when you go join Success Unacademy, you start developing your personality now. You start learning today, and when you join and upgrade your personality, so this will help you to develop your own personal development. So you value join the courses in Success Unacademy. What are the courses we taught? So we have a fluent English speaking masterclass. What is fluent? There are so many English speaking courses skill to how to get speak fluently in English. We also have other courses like job oriented masterclass. This is basically for when you completed your graduation or any other batch degree. When you go for job, you need some amount of skill. We teach all the thing whatever is required for getting that job. We assure you you develop your personality to such a level that when you go for interview, you can successfully attend the interview, pass out the interview, and get the job. And what is one more course we have? We have say career development coaching. When you are much puzzled with your career, what to do, what to do not, we are work as a I work as a consultant, and I help in developing your career so that in future you don't suffer for losing your time, because time is precious. You can lose 1 year doing this course, and after completing 2 to 3 course, you can get the job. Success Unacademy will help you as a consultant for developing your career. So this is one course is there. Apart from this, what is art of influence? We have a course where you're going to present yourself, presentation skill. We'll all work on the presentation skill, whatever is necessary for you to attend any interview or any multinational company. We will provide you the presentation skill. Let's say you're in network marketing, you should know how to present yourself. So these are the skill we are going to share. We're going to taught you in the courses so that you can know how to influence people and you can generate result. Stress management. We say it freedom from heebie-jeebies. So many thoughts are coming in your mind, and with the courses, we are going to all the skills we'll share in the course so that you can overcome your stress and be productive in any chosen field. Leadership development masterclass, where we are going to taught you the skill how to become a successful leader. How to improve your communication skill, business model. You're going to work in any business company, smaller, may bigger, or in a multinational company. You have the skill so that you can present your thought. By the way, you can get promotion and work as a manager. We'll help you in developing this skill so that you become a successful leader in a very short period of time. So these are the courses which related to personal development.